So much fun happening down here in Belvedere, Buchanan Street Pub, and it is so great to be back with Brandy Reams. Brandy, thanks so much for having us back here. I've had so much fun partnering with you over these past several months, and just being a part of so many really cool events. Of course, we're here right now. We've got the cash grab going on. Talk first about that cash grab, because easiest money one could possibly make.
So we give away $500 once a month. We have a machine that blows all the air around. You get 10 seconds to grab out as much money as you can. And the nice thing is you don't have to wait long. We pull a winner every 15 minutes between 1 and 4.
And what's really fun too is, in addition to things like that, you have fun little themed parties here. You just had a 90s neon party.
Yes.
Talk about some of the other fun things that you guys got coming up now as we go closer into March, April, May, and beyond.
So we're going to team up with La Costa Bora again this year, and we're going to do a St. Patty's Day bar crawl. We're going to get all the other businesses involved. We're going to have a chaos party. Kind of have to read our event page to understand about, but I promise it's going to be pure chaos.
So, of course, live music, a huge thing of what you guys do down here, and you've got bands booked all the way through the summer. Talk about some of the favorites that folks are going to want to come down here and check out.
So Brian Lee Acoustic is coming up here in the beginning of March. We have Stereotype, Random AF, Rolling Whiskey, Blue Steel, Dirt Road Rebels, Stevie Nicks. I could go on and on. We have a great lineup for this summer. One
of the coolest things too, now that you mentioned the summer, you've got this amazing patio out there where you can take the shows outside. It's really one of the best venues to catch live music in all of Northern Illinois.
It is. To me, I think it is absolutely amazing. We'll also be starting up our bags leagues for May. And another thing that we'll be doing out there in September, we're doing a sing-along brunch.
Okay, I'm intrigued.
Yes. So think power ballads, think blow-up microphones, air guitars, everything. Everyone just singing at the top of their lungs and having fun. We'll have DJ Turn 1 out here. He also does our karaoke once a month.
So basically anything that I would sing in the shower.
Yes, or in your car, loudest you can do it.
I think one of the coolest things about what you guys do here is not only do you have a lot of fun, you also love to give back to the community. I know we had the toy drive over the holidays. You had a big fundraiser for breast cancer back in March. How fun is that to be a part of being able to not only be a part of the community, but give back to this wonderful community?
It is a huge piece of our hearts to be able to give back. My best friend and I, we actually just walked through the door. We started the breast cancer benefit, which we are going to do every year now in the beginning of October. We were able to raise over $9,000 for that. And then the toy drive, which is something that I had done at another establishment, and we were able to bring here. We raised, I think, $5,600. So we gave away in 6 months, raised and gave away $15,000.
That is absolutely
and we
incredible.
have more coming.
That's awesome. You're coming up on a year now, having owned. It's been a heck of a ride, and it sounds like the best is yet to come.
It will, I promise.
Now let's talk about one of those things that happened over the year, but kind of happened by mistake, but kind of turned out to be a famous mistake.
Our Parmesan Bloody Marys.
Parmesan
Yes.
Bloody Mary.
Which I know you like.
I do very much. I enjoyed your famous mistake. Parmesan and Bloody Mary. I'm telling you folks, it is something you absolutely want to check out. Brandy, this has been so much fun, and appreciate your partnership, and here's to many more fun times down the road.